Okay, this is the 721 machine now. You can see that the control panel isn't absolutely perfectly. It can get snagged on the corner of the chip container there, and so it's pretty much just cosmetic. Again, this is 721 full 4th axis. You can tilt the head so you can do 5-axis work when you do port positioning. I have changed the air filter for the spindle drive motor on this. I've added an automotive type filter to it. The old one, the clips kept falling off, and this just worked out a real slick. I'm going to include the oil mister with it because it's been attached to the machine for a while. It works also off the M8 command. There's a 3-way switch inside the electrical box, and you can switch the coolant off, which you really don't need, but it will switch from oil mist to regular coolant. Over there you might see that there's a duplex outlet. The duplex outlet is run by the M8 command. I'll run it through the paces. I don't have a program set up right now that I trust without me doing something to it. So let's just, okay, there's the Z. And as far as up as I wanted to go, there's Z all the way to the Z limit there. We'll do the X plus. Hey, let me see, am I up to full speed? I am, here we go. That's full rapids there. Full rapids here. You can hear everything nice and quiet. We got new wake covers on both machines just a little bit over a year ago. So that's real nice. And there's your Y-axis in and out. See, it's got a full 4th axis. Let's see if we can get that to spin around now. Got to watch about hitting the wake covers a little bit there. There we go, we're cleared them. We got these big vices on here. They do smack the wake covers. They're not hurting anything though. That's about it. Let's see. I'm going to give this a M94 command that gets it gets out. Then I'll give it a command to go to 0. Enter. Whoops. Enter. What am I doing here? Ah, there we go. Well, I already zeroed it out. I did that wrong. But I can do this. We can command. I'm going to do a return to reference point here. It's going to spin it like 1 more RPM. Okay, it's going to keep spinning it around. There we go. Okay, now I'll try this again. Stop. M94. Cycle start. Then we're back to 3 degrees. And we're just, that's probably where it is. That's just about everything lined up up square there at that point. Then I got to do is just go. And then we're back where we ought to be. I'm going to go ahead and pause this now. I think that should prove. Oh, let's go ahead and run that through the RPMs. Let's see, we're at programmed at 2799 at the moment here. Turn that on. That's at spinable minimum. We'll crank that on up. And there we go. There's 4,000 RPM. The freshly rebuilt spindle. That spindle's only been in there about 6 weeks at the most. Probably doesn't have more than 10-20 hours on it. Here's nice and quiet. And this one will also go down to 17 RPM. We've got a program 25. And we'll shift on down. You can hear it shifting gears. There's 37 RPM. I'll turn that all the way down, and there's 17 RPM. See, we can do the other gears if need be. Total call, I think 641. I think will get us up another gear. There's second gear there. That's kind of it. Swing this on around. Let's see, there's the duplex box. We got 110 coming in here. Going to that, it uses the control box ground. So there's only a two line plug coming in. That goes on over to the oil mister. You can see here that there's the switch there for switching between oil mist and flood. That's unique to this machine. This machine also has got a switch that turns off the fan. So let's see. Okay, that's third gear we're in right now. I'll do it a 271, and that'll put us in the second gear. Total call 271. Enter. Cycle start. And there you go. So all the gears work just fine. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now.